Hello everyone, my name is Chitransh and today we will learn how to count triangles. As you can see here, this question comes in exams like olympiad and banks, etc. So if you practice and learn these tricks, then there will be more chance that your questions will be correct. So let's begin. So our first triangle is this one. This is one. Everyone knows. But how? Simple. This is how it is one. The outer surface makes it one. Yeah, but what if I make a vertical line in it? So it will become like something like this, right? This part is 1, this part is 2, and the outer surface is 3, right? But how? This is the first two triangles, and this two combine and make 3. This triangle is the outer triangle. But what is the formula? The formula is if we combine the 1 plus 2, then also it becomes 3. It is so this is the This is a triangle. Wait a second. Yeah, this is the triangle. How much it is? This is the first. This is the second. This is the third, and final. This is the fourth. And this is they 4 make, and it will come 5. So first I will tell you in normal way how much time it takes, but then I will tell you in formula. So our first triangle is this, the second triangle is this, the third triangle is something like this, the fourth triangle is something like this, the fifth triangle is something like this, the sixth triangle is something like this, the seventh triangle is something like this, the eighth triangle is something like this, the ninth triangle is something like this, and the 10th triangle is something like this. Yeah, it is so much time taking, but what in the formula it is so less time taking. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10. How? 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 and 4 equals to 7, and 3 plus 7 equals to 10. Yeah, so it was 2 10. Now let's do 2 more triangles practice. And this is the final line, which this is the triangle formation. This had 4 lines, 3 lines, so it will take it. I will put 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, this is 5, this is 6. Yeah, its total has 6 triangles. As I calculated here that 1, 2, 3, 4 makes 10. So we will direct start from 10. 10 plus 5 simply makes 15. The 15 plus 6 simply makes 21. So this proves that this triangle has 21 triangles. Do a quick revision of this triangle. So we started from 10, but now we will start from the beginning 1. First, I will erase this. Yup. The 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals to how much? 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. As you know, 5 plus 6 equals to 11, and 10 plus 11 is equals to 21. So this question mark represents 21. Yes. Now let's go to our next triangle. Yeah, this has 5 lines, so I will now put 7 lines. Second, third, fourth, this is the 5th, this is the 6th, and this is the final 7th. Yes! You guessed it right. It has 6 and it is 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, it is 8. As usual, now we will count. From here the 1 will come. From here the 2 will come. From here the 3 will come. So it is equals to 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 15. And 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 again. So 15 plus 15 is equals to 30, and 30 plus 6 is equals to 36. The total is 36. You can see I have erased the back calculation of the time one. Now let's learn the interesting fabulous type 2. So what type 2 is, in the type 1 we learned about the horizontal line. Vertical line. But in the type 2 we will learn about the horizontal line. So the triangles will be like some thing like this. Like the triangles will be like this. So let's start the type 2. As I have made the type 2 first triangle before, Now, if I will tell the first in the normal way, then I will tell you the formula. So in the normal way, we always do this triangle, then the final of this triangle. But it is time taking, I think so. But if this formula comes in the between, this formula is the number of horizontal lines represent the number of triangles. Means there is two lines of horizontal, means there is two triangles. One triangle and the second triangle. Yes. Now you will tell that this is also one triangle, but the first triangle has made that triangle. Now this will be our next triangle. 1, 2 and 3. As I told the formula, number of horizontal lines represent the number of triangles. Means it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means there are 4 triangles in this figure. One is there, the second is here, the third is here, and the fourth is here. In normal way we calculated like 1, then 2, then 3, then the fourth triangle. It is again so times taking in the normal way. Now the next triangle will come again. Yes. If there are 4, means there will be 5 in this. Yes, it has 4 in it. Now first I will do in the formula only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now you will tell that this 1 and 2 and combine and make third, but it's not, because triangle has a point at its top, but if we add one of these, then it will not have. Now this comes our final triangle of this type. This is 4 lines, so it will have 6 lines. And 6. This is our 6th line. Now we will start calculating it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Oops! I have made this triangle in a line. So 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now it is correct. Now we will do a quick revision of this type. It has 2 triangles, which is 2. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll remind the formula again. The number of horizontal lines represent the number of triangles. That is 5 equals to, and this has 6 as we calculated it. So equals to 6. Isn't it easy, guys? Now we will go to our type 3, which is a combination of the type 1 and type 2 triangles. It will be something like this. Yeah, I will tell you before, I have not used the normal way in this type. Yes, the first triangle is completed. What is the formula? First we have to apply one type 1 formula, which is the number of the sides plus them. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then we have to calculate number of the horizontal lines, which is 1 and 2. Then this 2, the maximum number which we got by calculating the horizontal line, then we have to multiply the sum which we got from the first formula. We applied the type 1 formula. So the 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. Is it? Let's do a quick revision. The one we put it the first, we put it the type 1 formula, which was we have to first calculate the size, how much it is. Then we have to add them, which comes the third 3. Then we have to calculate the number of horizontal line. Then we got the highest number. We have to multiply with that the number which got with the type 1 formula, and which answer comes, that will be the answer for the triangle. So our quick revision is completed. Now let's go to little more practice. So our second triangle will be something like this. Yeah, you must be wondering why I only increase the number of the vertical lines. I will tell you later on. So again we will apply the formula. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Then 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then we have to multiply the 6 with the highest number of the horizontal lines, which is 2. Means it will come 12, because 6 multiplied by 2 is equals to 12. It is easy. Now we will go to our next triangle. Will take a second more. Yes, it is completed. 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 10. But how? So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Then 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then our 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. It is easy. We got 10. But I haven't put it the second step of the formula, which is calculating the number of horizontal lines. It is 1 and 2 means 2 is the highest number. So we will multiply the answer 10 with the 2, which will make 20 the answer. Let's do little more practice. Now I will increase the number of the horizontal lines. So this is yes, it has now 2 horizontal lines. So we will use again the formula in a little quicker way now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10. Because 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, and 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Now we will do the second step. Calculating the horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3 means 1 and 2, 3. This time we have the highest number of horizontal lines, 3. So we will multiply the answer 10 with the 3, which will come 30, because 10 multiplied by 3 is equals to 30. This triangle has means 30 triangles. Now let's do little more practice. In the previous triangle we have drawn 2 horizontal lines. Now we will draw 3 horizontal lines with 3 vertical lines. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to calculate them as our second step. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 10. Yep. Then now our third step, calculating the number of the horizontal lines. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will the highest number we have got is 4. So we will multiply the 10 with the 4. Means it will come 40. Right? You guessed it. Right. Now we will go to the final triangle of this video and the final triangle of this type also. One, 2, 3. Yes. Now we will draw the horizontal lines. 1, 2 and 3. As usual, every time it comes 4, so it will come 4 again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus equals to 10. Then again it will come 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means the highest number of the horizontal lines is 5. So we will multiply the 10 with the 5, which comes yes, the half number of the 150. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And